Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Optimizely for A/B testing in web apps, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, navigate to the Optimizely website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Once logged in, select the project you want to work on. From the dashboard, click on the Setup option. Choose Web Experimentation from the drop-down menu. Next, you'll see an option to install the Optimizely snippet. Click on the Copy button next to the code snippet. Open your web app's code editor. Paste the snippet into the HTML of your website, just before the closing /head tag. Save the changes and deploy your website. Return to the Optimizely dashboard. Create a new experiment by clicking the Create button. Select either A/B test or multivariate test based on your needs. Name your experiment for easy identification. Set the variations you want to test. For A/B testing, you can make changes to the original version or create new variations. Customize the audience targeting to define who sees the experiment. Set your goals for the test, such as clicks or conversions. Configure the experiment's activation settings. Once everything is set up, click the Start Experiment button. Monitor the performance in the Optimizely dashboard over time. When enough data has been collected, analyze the results for insights. Decide on the winning variation based on your predefined goals. Implement the winning changes to your web app to optimize performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.